Hello everyone! Today, we will make a short video tutorial on how to make an e-portfolio using the Google site. So first, open your Google Chrome and then go to the app option at the upper left corner. And then go to Google Drive. Tap the new button, then go to more, then Google Sites. Tada! We can now create our portfolio. So first, let us put a title site. So I'll put my name, Junabeth, plus portfolio. After that, you can add your page title. So I will name it My e-portfolio. And then, you can change the cover photo and explore designs according to your choice. You can choose layouts right here from the upper right corner. And then you can also add collapsible text, table of contents, and whatever you want to add. And now, you can now upload your works or select image or get it from your drive. So I will choose some files from my drive. Just have patience and wait, because sometimes the internet connection is slow. Click to edit the text, describe your work. Or you may put a title on it. Almost done, but I still have to publish this. In order to publish, just click the publish button at the upper right corner. And again, click publish. And yippee! Hooray! I'm completely done. So I will try to play my photo essay. I will try to open other files. And I think everything is well. So that will be all. Bye! Thank you for watching.